¿Qué es el menú del día?
Toda la carta.
Toda la carta. Okay. Tiene pastel de choclo.
Sí.
Ok. Quiero pastel de choclo. ¿Y incluye una bebida? No. Solo aparte. ¿Tiene jugo?
Las bebidas son Coca-Cola, Fanta y Sprite, son en lata.
Tiene jugo, 100% natural.
Solo naranja. Vitamina naranja, exprimido de naranja.
Ok, naranja.
¿Sí?
So I ordered the pastel de choclo. I wanted to try it. I tried it in another restaurant, and it was okay, but I want to try it here, see how it is. I'm at a bar called Bar Nacional. The pastel de choclo is like a, well, you'll see it, but I mentioned it in one of my other videos I just made on my Santiago walking tour. It's like,
Señor.
Gracias.
Buena la cámara.
Bread is pretty good. The only juice they had is orange juice, jugo de naranja. Lá, quanto tempo mais ou menos?
¿Ah?
Quanto tempo mais? Pastel de choclo.
¿Pidió un pastel de choclo?
Sí. It's taking a long time to get my pastel de choclo. You gotta have a lot of patience here in Latin America. Granted, it is around rush hour on a weekday. It's a Wednesday on a weekday, rush hour like 2 o'clock, lunch. So I cut them some slack on that. But still, it's slow in Latin America. But other people who've ordered after me have gotten some of their meals, so it seems like maybe they forgot my order or something. I don't know.
Señor. ¿Una cucharita? ¿Me cubierto?
Sí, gracias. I was about to ask him for a spoon, but he went away so. Gracias. Cuchara. Said. Read my mind and cuchara. Spoon, cuchara. So let's dig in and see how this is. That's how it looks. You know what? I'm not gonna say nothing yet, but let me just mix it. I think it's pre-cooked because it was kind of cold on the ends. And the chicken is kind of hard a little bit. But we're gonna give it a chance. So already this one tastes better than the other restaurant I tasted. The other one just had corn. This has chicken, the corn and some beans, and a lot of other stuff. See, some chicken chunks. Chicken chunks right there. Also, it looked like it has an egg in it. So this is how it looked mixed. So it's a pretty good flavor overall, pretty good texture, slightly sweet flavor, good mesh with the chicken and the egg and the corn and starch. You scan their menu. Latin America, they are big on QR codes, so you can scan the menu code. Scan it. Said I don't have any internet, but let me restart my phone. Got this eSIM saying I don't have any internet. The thing I don't like about restaurants in Latin America, some of them, is that their customer service is different. Like, they just serve you and go away and disappear. But then at the end, they want to ask you for a tip still. It's like they don't understand that you need a tip is for props for going over and beyond service, not just something you can get out of foreigners. And I don't like nobody disappearing and coming back at the end and having the nerve to ask for a tip. Sometimes I give it to them because I know it's a little different and they don't understand, but I don't like it. It's like these also have olives in them. I'm not a big olive fan, but look like an olive. Olive with a big hard seed in it. I could have broke my tooth. It's called aceitunas in Spanish. Aceitunas, olives. Don't like them. Always test your food because they'll leave big seeds and everything, crack your teeth wide open. They don't tell you. Here's another one, a big olive. Yeah, you're not gonna find the best service in Latin America. But just like I said, they still have the nerve. They picked up on that tip and stuff. They still have the nerve to ask you for a tip. You see, notice no one has been back over here to ask how the meal going or anything. They just dropped off the food on to the next person. I don't make it a habit of eating out a lot because I don't think it's worth it. It's just a great way to drain out your money. And also a lot of the dishes I can cook myself and I'm not even able to cook. But you know, this is okay. This is good. I wouldn't say it's great, but it's good. But again, I do not recommend going out to restaurants a lot. That's a huge expense that disappears from a lot of people's pockets and purses without them even realizing. They're so busy trying to stuff their face. Almost done. It's not been too bad. Napkin, servilletas, servilleta, napkin. Orange juice is all right, but it's not the best I've ever tasted. It's just okay. Again, orange juice is jugo de naranja. Jugo de naranja. Okay, it worked this time, the QR code. Let's see. So it is the app.
Permiso, señor, ¿lo retiró?
Sí, gracias. At least he came to clear the table. A lot of places, restaurants here in Latin America, they don't even come to clear the table or anything. They just leave you alone and just wait to the very end to come back and again ask you for a tip and take your payment.
Pepe, ¿le pones la cuenta sin ningún apuro para hacer cambio de caja?
Sí,
Sin apuro, ¿ya?
mira, cuenta,
Solo para
cuenta.
hacer cambio de caja. ¿Listo?
Asked me if I wanted my check.
No, era el descuento.
Un buen partido. Sí. Sí. Excepto tarjetas. Excepto,
Sí, claro.
sí. Tarjeta de crédito.
Sí. Sí, señor.
Okay. ¿No?
No, parece que tiene una aplicación, ¿no tiene? Ah, ya. Pero,
Será turno outra vez.
Ay, sí.
¿No?
vaya no. Acercarlo un poquito más.
Ese es el caso.
Ay.
Muy dura, muy difícil.
Muchas gracias, amigo.
Sí, gracias.
A usted gracias.
Wow. So the whole thing came to 18,000 $18,000, which is around $18 in US dollars. It's about the same. And I went ahead and included the tip, propina. It was already included on the bill here as a suggested tip, so I just went on and gave it to them, which was like 10%. That's what they usually charge. And if you're gonna give a tip, that's how much I'll suggest here in Latin America, South America. Okay. So overall, the meal was pretty good. I wouldn't give it an A+ or anything. I'd give it like a B. And I may return, may not. So it's one of those experiences. Okay, so that said, I'm out, and make every experience a rich experience. See you in the next one.